If you are not getting quality leads on Google Ads, or if you are not getting any leads at all at Google Ads, then you have to watch this video in full, because in this video I'm going to raise a similar client who got a similar issue like this, and how I was able to explain it. So let's get started on this. So this was a question over here as well. Spent $5K on AdWords with zero qualified leads. What am I doing wrong? Over the past 3 months, I have spent over $5,000 on Google Ads on a B2B solution in a niche segment of gaming industry. While I have driven about 100 registrations, none of them are qualified leads. What would you check again first? I have an agency on board and conducted 2 account audits. I have tried multiple campaign setups, one group, many keywords, SKG, comparators, etc. Everyone focuses on account setup and wants to try to different things, but I feel like we are missing the bigger picture. I'm currently using Performance Max and Display Comparison, and my keyword strategy is guided by SEMrush, SEMrush, and Google Keyword Pattern. My audiences are enriched through 30K plus HubSpot contacts and site visitors. What is your advice? I also asked one of the question, which people may be asking later on, and that is that maybe your product isn't needed. So he said that would be first thought to. Okay, so he explained to me that uh, we actually have a business with thousands of organic customers, just never run any ads. So when he has already getting good organic customers, it means that there is not a problem in the demand, but there is something which is causing an issue on Google Ads, which needed a fix. So after getting this information, I think that there are a few things which I'm going to check around, or I'm going to tell you quick fixes to run around. So in your niche, the first thing which I'm going to tell over here, is that because you are getting good amount of leads, okay, I highly recommend you over here is focus on retargeting campaign. Okay, since you are getting organic leads, so it's a very good idea to target those people who have already visited your website by creating a retargeting campaign. And because you are getting good leads through organic traffic, so a retargeting campaign can also help you in multiplying your leads. So my first strategy is going to run the retargeting campaign. The second thing is, I'm going to examine my organic data. Once I'm going to examine my organic data through, I can use Google Analytics or whatever you are going to use. I'm going to see which keywords are bringing sales, leads, whatever are bringing leads. So I'm going to put around only those keywords, only those keywords which are bringing good leads at this moment. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to run ad different for each of this. So this can also help me in doing the intent. So with the high intent, I'm going to understand the needs, and then I'm going to pinpoint as something very attractive to them. So my opinion is going to run ad different for each keyword, targeted keyword with a different intent, so people can correlate this with their own situation. And in the ad, I'm going to run ad assets. Okay, add assets means I'm going to add a lot of extensions. I'm going to show you a keyword preview tool, and it's already being it's spyfoo. So I'm going to use it. So this is a normal ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add assets on the ad, and you can see yourself after adding the assets on how attractive this ad has become after adding the ad asset. So I think that an ad assets can change an ad to an exciting ad. So my opinion is doing this. But now, because there is one more aspect over here, which I think is over here, which you are doing it, and after getting your data about 100 registrations and none of them are qualified, is mean that we are targeting the wrong keyword match type. So could be a possibility is looking for your negative keywords. And for your current keyword match type, I think that you're using broad match. I highly recommend you to move to exact match. Okay, at this moment, I won't even recommend you to not to even go with a phrase match. No phrase match, no for now, and only go with exact match. And for each keyword, need to have a different ad and then run it for a week, and then we can analyze on the data. Also make sure that we are running with conversion tracking on and everything on. So these are few of the insights which I think can sort out your issues. So my opinion, go with the retargeting campaign and follow these strategies, and this can help you generating good amount of leads for your business. So I hope this answers the question, but in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit of your account, you can help me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.